Hey beauties, today I'll be showing you 3 easy and practical steps to help you determine your hair porosity levels at the comfort of your home. These tests are guides to help you figure out your hair porosity level, so I would highly recommend you conduct at least 2 of these tests to give you a better result. Test 1 is the absorption test. This test examines how quickly your hair absorbs water. If the water takes a while to be absorbed, your hair is likely low porosity. If your hair absorbs water fairly quickly and evenly, you likely have medium porosity. If your hair absorbs water almost instantly, your hair probably has high porosity. Test 2 is the float test. This test determines your hair's porosity based on whether it floats or sinks in water. Take clean strands of hair, making sure that your hair is nicely washed and clean. Fill a glass or a bowl with room temperature water. Drop the strands of hair into the water and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. Observe whether the hair floats or sinks. If the strands float on the surface of the water and takes a long time to start sinking, it's likely low porosity. If the strands gradually sink to the middle of the glass, it is likely medium porosity. And if the strand sinks quickly to the bottom, then it's likely high porosity. Step 3 is the moisturizing product test. If the product sits on top of your hair and takes long time to absorb, you likely have low porosity. If your hair absorbs the products well and remain moisturized throughout the day without needing reapplication, then you likely have normal or medium porosity. If your hair quickly soaks up all the products and also feels dry pretty soon, you likely have high porosity. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay beautiful and inspired. Bye.